Hey friends, we're gonna take a quick break from our home projects today to tell you about this week's video sponsor. It is DWIL. DWIL has an entire line of paints that will help you transform spaces in an easy and affordable way. Recently, I was able to use the tub and tile paint from DWIL to transform my brother's shower. They had a shower that they were not really ready to fully renovate, and they wanted to be able to give it a nice facelift, brighten up the space, and really just give it new life. So this is an entire kit. It gives you everything that you're gonna need to finish this project. I think that it's great how they send gloves and little sandpaper pieces if you need to sand up any areas, and a brush and a roller to apply the paint, as well as other things that you may need along the way. Obviously, being in a tub or a shower is a little bit of a tight space generally to work in, and the cleanup is super easy. So being in a tight space, it's really easy to take care of any overpainting that you might do as you go. Obviously, if you are doing a bathroom area like a tub or a shower, you are in your home, probably in a central location of your home. So odor is a really big deal when it comes to repainting something. Thankfully, DWIL thought of that, and we are able to use this tub and tile paint at a low odor. Honestly, I could barely even tell there was any odor as I was working in there, and I know that it was appreciated by my brother's family as well. The tub and tile paint is formulated with a high quality acrylic resin. This makes it exceptionally durable and resistant to flaking. The tub and tile paint is very versatile. It comes in different finishes as well as colors to match your taste and your decor. Obviously, this is super budget friendly and gives a great facelift at a great cost. At the end of the project, we were left with some really great before and after photos with this looking just fresh and clean and new. So you can check out DWIL paints for your next DIY project for a simple, easy solution. The information and link will be in the description box below.